Sa iba't ibang sulok ng mundo, lahat ng tao ay may kanya-kanyang laban sa buhay. Lahat may iba't ibang responsibilidad at pagsubok na hinaharap. Kaya naman, hindi lahat ay nabibigyan ng pagkakataon na agad maabot ang kanilang pangarap. May mga pangarap na pansamantalang naisantubi, mga pangarap na naghihintay ng tamang panahon at tamang pagkakataon.
Unta, ako pod maka-eskwela.
Plastic na yung kamulo, baka gusto ko ng pulis. Unta mo, napasap.
May pa sila graduate na. Tatlong kwento, tatlong pangarap, tatlong taong may iisang hangad, ang makapag-aral at maabot ang kanilang mga pangarap. Iba-iba man ang sitwasyon, iisa ang solusyon. Welcome to BCCI, the perfect choice for your dreams. An institution committed to providing quality education that is affordable and accessible to everyone. At Butuan City Colleges Incorporated, flexible class schedules are offered in the morning, afternoon, and evening to accommodate students with different routines and responsibilities. Para kay Ellie, ang trabaho ay hindi hadlang, kundi inspirasyon upang ipagpatuloy ang pag-aaral. Dahil sa sistemang umaangkop sa kanyang pangangailangan. Para kay Roger, ang pangarap na maging pulis ay hindi na lamang pangarap. Kundi isang layuning unti-unting naaabot. Sa tulong ng tamang edukasyon at oportunidad. Para kay Shailene, ang pagiging ina ay hindi hadlang sa pagtatapos, kundi isang dahilan upang magsikap, magpatuloy, at abutin ang pangarap para sa kanyang kinabukasan at ng kanyang pamilya. At BCCI, variety of programs are offered from junior high school, senior high school, college and TESDA, including different kinds of courses like Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Bachelor of Science in Technical Vocational Teacher Education, Bachelor of Science in Criminology, and Bachelor of Science in Information System, designed to prepare students for real-life challenges and future careers. More than just a school, BCCI is a supportive community that understands the needs of every learner. Whether you are a working student, job seeker, or a parent striving for a better future, with flexible schedules and student-friendly tuition, going back to school becomes possible. At BCCI, promos and scholarship programs are available to help students who are facing financial challenges. They also have a student assistant program where students can work within the school while studying. Through this, they are given the opportunity to continue their education without worrying about tuition fees. With their strong mission, vision, and goals, BCCI continues to guide students toward becoming skilled, knowledgeable, and future-ready individuals. These programs greatly ease the cost of education and open more opportunities for learners. Ready to take the next step toward your dreams? Enroll now at Butuan City Colleges Incorporated.
Sino ba ako para mapansin mo? sana'y pakinggan